Mastering English Idioms, Tip and Run. Hello, dear viewers. Today we're going to unlock the meaning of a fascinating English phrase, tip and run. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced English learner, understanding idiomatic expressions can be both challenging and fun. This phrase might conjure images of someone tipping something over and running away, but does it really mean that? Let's find out together. Before we dive into the whole phrase, let's break it down. Tip has several meanings in English. It can mean giving someone a small amount of money for their service, advice, or the end part of something. But in our phrase, tip is not about money or advice. Instead, it's about giving something a light touch or push, usually causing it to fall over or move. Now, let's look at run. Running is easy to understand. It's moving fast on your feet, faster than walking. But in English, run also has a metaphorical sense. It can mean leaving a place quickly or escaping. So, keep in mind that run can be both literal and figurative in different contexts. Putting it all together, tip and run is an idiomatic expression. In a literal sense, you might think of someone tipping something over and then running away, perhaps in a game or mischief. But there's more to it. Tip and run can also describe a strategy or behavior where someone initiates something and then retreats before dealing with the consequences. It's like saying something provocative in a conversation and then changing the subject before anyone can react. Let's see how tip and run works in sentences. In cricket, a tip and run is a risky play where the batsman hits the ball lightly and runs immediately, hoping to score a run before the fielders can catch them. You might hear tip and run used to describe someone who rings a doorbell and then runs away as a prank. In a business context, if someone pitches an idea in a meeting and then leaves before the discussion gets heated, they are playing tip and run with their colleagues. Remember, idioms often have deeper meanings beyond their literal words. So, when you hear tip and run in everyday conversation, the speaker might be commenting on a situation where someone avoids responsibility or quickly withdraws after causing a stir. And that's a wrap on the phrase, tip and run. We hope this video has shed light on this playful and intriguing expression. Use it in your conversations to sound more like a native and to enrich your English vocabulary. If you enjoyed learning about tip and run, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more English language tips. See you in the next video.